Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Gumas. In talking to my patients, I found that there wasn't a solution which allowed them to combine the benefits of pneumatic compression with cold therapy. That's why I developed the Shoulder Cold Compressor. Whether you're an athlete looking for a quick recovery or a post-operative shoulder surgery patient, you will enjoy a more comfortable recovery with the Shoulder Cold Compressor brace. It's perfect for the relief of chronic shoulder pain, helps with post-exercise swelling and soreness, and is vital for post-surgery rehabilitation and is used by athletes to help with the recovery. The brace includes one reusable gel pack and comes in one universal size. It's easy to use too. Once you've frozen the gel pack for at least 2 hours, you place the gel pack into the brace, making sure the seams line up over the shoulder. Grasp the shoulder splint and locate the valve on top. Place the opening over the affected shoulder and secure the 2 compression straps to the desired fit. After you've secured the compression straps around the arm, you will also need to secure the strap around the patient's torso. From there, you'll attach the tube with the bulb to the valve. Switch the valve to on and inflate the brace to the desired compression. Once you're done inflating the valve, switch it to off and remove the tube with the bulb. It's easy to do. Once you've done it, you'll be on your way to achieving pain relief.